Here they are. Yeah, I have just a few. Just a few. Okay, let's start with my Star Wars sets. Only 3 of them. This one. Millennium Falcon. Just trying to get Hi.
Oh, you're taking a picture.
No, I'm making a video. This is the Millennium Falcon. Little shooters. Pew pew. Can go, please. Yes. And this, I don't know what it is. I just know it's Star Wars. There's different pieces that are supposed to go here, but I don't know where they are right now. The last Star Wars thing, right here. I also don't know the name of this ship. I'm not a Star Wars fan or anything. Whoa! Uh-oh. Looks like it broke. Not too hard to fix, though. Oop. Alright. Now I'll do my Marvel Lego sets. This is War Machine, Hulkbuster. Little missiles, and a machine gun. It's just not loaded right now. You spin this little thing, it just shoots him like a machine gun. Inside is War Machine, but he's missing his head, because my little brother took his head.
Yeah, me.
No need to yell, Grayson. No. Alright, that's War Machine. And now, my little Spider-Man car with Miles Morales in there. Turn the light. Miles Morales right there. The rest of the car, very nice red windshield. Didn't work. Anyways, it's very nice. Has a piece of fix it. Yep. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, also guns and webs for Miles Morales to swing with or shoot bad guys with web cuffs. Morbius with 2 bats and 4 webs and cups. Oh, here's the other one. There's a red cup and there's a blue cup. I don't know why. Don't lose. Ugh. No. Back up.
I'll get the rest.
No. No. I do not need your help. No, you're getting in the way. Stop. Stop. And this right here. And this is a Robotrix robot. I think his name is Snapglider. Little thing that opens up. Claw, I think. It doesn't transform. I could turn it into something else if I took it apart and rebuilt it, but that's pretty much with any Lego. Alright, next we'll do the dolphin that was staring at you. Alright, and here's the dolphin and the turtle. Dolphin's back moves, so does its tail. And no, a piece fell off. That one's there. And here's a crab. See, little red crab. And next is the parrot, because it's the other animal. See, very nice. I believe the wings do move. Yep, see, all joints there. The head turns nearly 360 degrees. Except the beak stops it from turning even 180. That's the only thing stopping it from swiveling around a ton. Alright. Next we'll do my Technic one. Technically. It's a little rescue boat. It used to have little clear things before my little brother took them and then lost them. Which is why I have to put all my Lego sets super high up and hide them. So he can't get them. Oh, how'd that break? I didn't notice that. Probably my little brother's fault. Here's the little rescue boat. All Technic. See, these spin when you roll it. If you can get good grip with it. Okay, anyways, next is the vehicles that aren't from any particular show or anything. First, the four-wheeler. Nice little green four-wheeler with some sort of turbo booster, a white seat, blue and black wheels. Very nice all together. Oh, exhaust pipes, yep. Next is my boat. I've had for a while. I don't know where the people with it are, but yeah, I think this is some sort of rescue boat. There used to be a searchlight there, but again, my little brother took it and lost it.
Well, I don't remember doing that.
And then in the back, there's some drinks with watermelon. There's steering wheel. There's some other stuff over there. Way over there. Can't really see it that well. But it's like a radar and a picture of a chainsaw nose shark. Not sure why. Yeah, this is a special piece that came with the set though. So yeah. Alright, next we'll do my little race car. This little guy inside with his race helmet. And this little green piece right here looks like a kitchen knife. Looks like a butcher's knife. See? Alright. And I don't know if that's a real car symbol. Might be. Whoa, blurry. Okay, yeah, you can't really see that though. Alright, yep.
Oh, that's
Nice as the whatever this is called, wheels, backlights, the little, I guess, exhaust thing. All nice and closed up. Alright. Last three things. Alright, still on the vehicles. A little monster truck that I built in about 5 minutes. And it's not very difficult to build. So yeah. The little guy inside. Yeah. Alright, next up is my Ninjago sets. There's this one. Cap's airplane. Which is actually only has his hair in it for some reason. It's also missing a piece.
I'm only on the third lap.
Okay, Grayson, I'm not worried about it. It's probably missing because of my little brother again. Little gray barrels as the thrusters. guns on the side, the spinning engine. Oh yeah, those little things that are probably supposed to shoot out fire. In other words, very nice. Alright, and the last one, Zane's helicopter. I can't remember which part of the show this is from, but I think it's when they went to like the Neverlands or whatever they're called. The Netherlands, I think that's what they're called.
Nether.
You can see his little HUD screen.
You're talking about
Okay, no, I'm not, Grayson, be quiet. See his little HUD screen here, showing him what to do. Little target thing. Probably see it better with the light off, yeah. The little rotors. Machine guns on both sides. The little things that spin when he's driving on the ground. And right here is a little thing that you can spin, and it spins the rotor sometimes. I don't know what happened, but it just doesn't work very well. See? Very nice. Little Zane type symbol right there. Tail. Yep. Very nice.
I'm the last one.
Stop. That's not how it works. Oh, little things right there. And yeah. Oh, wait. That's about it. Let's see the next one.